Is your website hacked and you're losing sleep over it? Fix it in minutes with Namecheap's security tools. No tech skills needed. Seriously. If you're staring at a broken site or seeing strange, spammy links, it's a horrible feeling. But let me show you how to take control back, fast. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click to get your site cleaned up quickly. Let's start at the Namecheap dashboard. So, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Namecheap homepage. Open a new tab and go to namecheap.com. This is your central hub for everything, from domains to hosting and, yes, security. Once the page loads, take a look at the main navigation bar at the top. See that long list of options? Don't get overwhelmed. Now, look for the tab that says Security. Click on that. This is where Namecheap keeps all of their protective tools. It's not hidden behind 5 different menus, it's right there in the open. That's one of the things I really appreciate about their setup. They make it easy to find help when you need it. Once you're on the security page, scroll down a bit. You'll see a section labeled Fix Hacked Website. Click on that. This is the exact service designed for what you're dealing with. They offer a couple of different options here, but the one that's going to get your site back on track is called We Can Help. Click on that button. Now, here's where you've got a choice. They'll present you with a few plans. For a one-time cleanup, which is perfect if you just need your site fixed and don't want a long-term contract, look for the option that says One-Time Purchase. Click on that. This is usually the most straightforward route. All right, with that selected, you'll see a big button that says Fix It Now. Go ahead and click it. This is essentially adding the service to your cart. It might take just a moment to process, but you'll be taken to a checkout page. And here's the really important part. Review everything on the order summary. Make sure the plan is what you wanted, and then click on Confirm Purchase. This is the final step before the magic happens. Namecheap will handle the rest from their end. Once the purchase is complete, you'll get a confirmation. Now, don't just close the tab. Pay attention to any follow-up instructions they provide. They might send you an email with next steps or a link to submit your site details. In my experience, their team gets to work pretty quickly, so keep an eye on your inbox. After a few hours or maybe a day, go check your website. You should see the difference. No more black hat messages, no more weird redirects. Your site should be clean and functional again. From a panicked website owner to someone who confidently used Namecheap's security tools to get the job done. That's the transformation. So remember, if this ever happens again, you now know exactly where to go. Log in, click Security, grab the Fix Hacked Website option, and let them handle the cleanup. Thanks for sticking with me through this. You've got this.